it's Sejal and I am in Coimbatore today. JK Tyres invited Mohak and I both to attend a racing weekend here. Now, it's my first time ever attending something like that, and we just got up early in the morning, packed up everything, and flew right here. So, I'm super excited to take you guys along. So, let's get started. Hotel room is amazing. There is a window to the bathroom. Not sure what we're gonna do with that.
Love is just two-way crazy.
I'm back in. Surprise me. I'm like shocked. I'm very happy to see you.
You've been on my mind all the time, obsessively.
To the racetrack, and it's actually crazy. The race is starting here. It's right here. So Mohak is actually going crazy right now because he's too excited about the race. We'll just show you what's happening.
Things you do so easily. Nothing in this world to let me free.
This is the racetrack. It's behind me. It's a safety car. This is the pit stop. The podium itself. This is the lounge, the audio room. This is where they do the commentary from. And where I'm sitting is where the winners sit to give their interviews after they won the race. Standing right in the middle of the tracks. The step over bridge from one side to the other, and the track goes right below me. So loud.
How the way things are, your love is gone.
The race is about to start. Look.
No one can explain, it's all just such a mystery. And I don't have a clue, 'cause love has got a hold on me. Hold on me, hold on me. Things you do so easily. Nothing in this world to let me free.
Yeah. Hi. Very good. Shave my beard.
Is your seatbelt on?
I'm putting it on.
It's important. You might break your head.
We're doing a 360 and a drift.
I'll be doing a drift. I'll be doing a 360, a J turn, and a 180. You want something more?
That was insane.
It was insane. Like, the word is insane. Now I have something to say when someone asks me the craziest thing I've done. This is it. So we have been invited for a little...
I'm still getting ready, Sejal.
Little party. And we're getting ready. I'm ready. This is what I'm wearing. And Mohak is also ready. So we're so excited. It's by the pool and we're gonna have a lot of fun.
People wanna say that I've been acting foolishly.
So subscribers have come to meet me at the
Meet me too.
Please tell everyone, it's Sejal. So today I'm